We are making gluten-free sugar cookies today that are chewy on the inside and crunchy on the outside. So let's get baking. If you'd like to make these delicious cookies for yourself, just click the link in the video description to view the full recipe on our website. Begin by whisking together the gluten-free flour mix. Here we used Bob's Red Mill 1:1 flour, the salt and baking soda. Next, in a mixer, cream together the butter and both types of sugar. While mixing, add 1 egg at a time until the dough is fully combined. After the eggs are mixed in, add lemon juice and vanilla extract. Next, add in the dry ingredients and continue mixing until the dough has fully combined. Scoop uniform balls of dough and coat each one in sugar. Bake at 350 for 15 minutes or until the edges begin to brown. Thanks so much for watching our video today. We really appreciate it. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel and tell your friends about it. Thanks so much. Ciao!